Hi everyone, trust you all are doing well. So this will be a little bit of a short video. I just want to add additional information for those that want to learn just a little bit something extra, right? So if you don't want to, you can just skip the video, or if you didn't even like how I created this will be quite helpful to watch. All right, so let's go to our save image service right here. All right, so I just updated a bit. This was just image, okay, just for the explanation in the video right here. So this was our option 1, so I've already explained it. Now this is the option 2. So this is what you might have been used to. So if you want to have more freedom of how you want to customize what the name of the file need to be of your image, okay. So let me just explain this. So basically we're going to get the image basically passed through from the job to here. So we can assign that image basically to that image. Then we're going to create an image name. So we're going to get the image and we're going to get the original name of that image. Then on that image name, we're basically going to explode with a dot and we add the 0 at the end. Basically, this is just counting the first index of the array. Okay. So then we get the file extension and we add the time. Okay. And we concatenate a period or a dot. And then we add an image name, the one that we got right there. Then we concatenate a full stop again or a period. And then we're going to get the client's original extension. So that means if it was a PNG, we get the PNG. If it was a JPEG or whatever the case may be, we concatenate that to that, basically the time, image, and the periods in between. All right. And then we're going to save it in a location. We're going to store it to the storage path and public. Right, in the tags folder. If you guys remember from the previous episode, we save it right there. Then we forward slash it and concatenate that in there, and then we with a file extension. So this file extension is basically the one that we got right there. Then we're going to make the image that we receive, this image right there, and we're going to resize this to this size. Then we save it in that location. Right, and obviously then we save that image with that file extension in the database. All right, so that's basically the second option. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit more option or freedom on how to, if you want to do it this way, you can do it this way. If you want to do it the other way, you can do it the other way. This one will create quite a unique ID, which is perfectly suited and fine for me. If you want to have more freedom, this is the second option right there. All right, so if you didn't even like it, how I actually save the image right here, I will show you another way to do it. Instead of a static function right here, you can just call on a normal function. Okay, but just bear with me. But there's a couple of things we need to change if you want to make it just a standard function. Let's go to our create tag. As you can see, we got a blue underline because that static function is not available anymore. Okay, so let's quickly update this right here. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to bring in our save image service right there. And we're going to save image service like this, right? And then we need to bring it in here. So this save image service, we're going to set that basically to that save image service like that. Okay, now obviously this will give us issues. As you can see, we got a red underline right there. So that's why I didn't go this approach. So you will obviously have to work a little bit around this as well. Right, so the next thing that we need to do is we need to go down here. Okay, so let's quickly go in here. So in order to do that, you just call in this dot save. Let me just get it like this. It's save image service. Okay, so like this, and then you call on that upload this part right here. Let me just actually copy it like that. Then you just pass it in here like that. So okay, so then you can basically give, if you don't want to call it like this, then you can call it like that. But I didn't like this way because I don't want to mess up anything in my form request. I just wanted to show you, if you want to actually use it this way, you need to just handle with this right here. Okay, so let me just delete this. That's not the way I'm going to do it. So as you can see, the static is not there anymore. So let me just remove it here as well from my constructor. I just wanted to give you that option. So let's go to the save image, and I'm going to call this one statically like this. All right, so I'm just going to do it like that. All right, so there's option 1 and here's option 2. So that's totally up to you how you want to do it. And if you prefer the other way to have more freedom, it's totally up to you. All right, so I just wanted to mention that as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.